And we're going to do again today number sequences or number patterns. Number patterns. So if we watched the video last time, we said that we can count, if we count forward, going forward, like 1, 2, 3, 4, that's a number pattern. That is adding
ไม่ได้ยินคนสอน
1.
ต้องฟังไม่เปิดกล้องครูไม่เห็นหน้าแค่นั้นพอ
Or if we
ถ้า
count
ถ้าปิดไมค์จะพูดไปทำไม
that's a number pattern. We're doing minus 1.
ต้องจะถามได้ยินไหมถ้าครูพูดแบบนี้
So let's have a look at this video so we can see what other number
ไม่
patterns
ไม่
we
เปิด
can
กล้อง
do.
ก็พอเปิดไมค์เข้าใจฟังเสียงครูเปล่าฟังเปิดไมค์นะเสียงฟังเสียงครูเปล่า
What are the missing numbers? 8. 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. In each step, the numbers go up by 1. Missing numbers are 10 and 12.
So that is just counting forward, isn't it? Counting forward by ones. So we know that.
What are the missing numbers?
ไปกินอิ่มแล้ว
This time, but how are we counting?
แบบคำ
Got 8
สองปิดไว้ก็ที่ปิด
and then a 10. We're adding 2, aren't we? We're counting by 2.
Plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12.
Who can tell me what the next number is? What is 12 plus 2? Anyone? Milan, what is 12 plus 2? No? Okay, we'll keep watching.
เราเมื่อไหร่
When we do the exercise, you'll have to help me.
หน้าอยู่
In each step, the numbers are going up by 2.
Plus 2.
Plus
แล้วไม่ไปเนี่ย
2 plus
เด็กๆปิดไมค์ก่อนนะคะ เพราะว่ามันมีเสียงแทรกลูกนะคะ ปิดไมค์ก่อนนะคะ
What are the
โอ
missing
เค
14
ไปต่อเลยเรา
minus 2 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10.
This time we're
In each
counting
step, the numbers are going down
backwards.
by 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. The missing numbers are 8 and 4. What are the missing numbers? 17 minus 1 is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. In each step, the numbers go down by 1. 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 minus 1 is 18.
So this time we were counting backward. Backward. So we use minus. And see how we found 2 numbers and we worked out what was happening. And we worked out these 3 numbers and then we knew it was minus 1. So then we could just do our minus 1 to fill in the numbers that are missing.
The missing numbers are 19 and 18.
Okay. So, when we look at a number sequence, what we have to do is find out whether we're counting forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, or backward, 4, 3, 2, 1. So forward or backward. And then if we're adding 1 or adding 10 or adding any number, we find out whether we're adding or subtracting, plus or minus. If the numbers are getting bigger, then we're adding. If they're getting smaller, then we're doing subtraction, minus. Okay? So, if you've got your books, let's open up at page 124 in our textbook. And you guys are going to help me go through each one. I'm not going to answer them. You have to answer them for me. So, page 124. Find the missing numbers in each number sequence or number pattern. And then say whether the numbers are increasing. That means we're counting forward, getting bigger, or decreasing. Means we're going backward, getting smaller. So who's going to help me with the first one? 36. Let's say it together. I want to hear everyone say the numbers. Mute's off. Are we ready? Unmute. Unmute. All right. Are we ready? We're going to count. Let's count. What's this number? Someone? 36. Can't hear anyone. We'll just wait until I hear someone say 30. Seven, yeah. 30.
เปิดไมค์มาตอบได้เลยค่ะ
41, 42. Are we going up or down? We're counting forward or backward. We're counting forward. We're doing +1, aren't we? This looks like normal counting. +1. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay. Number 2. This time, what have we got? 10, 20, 30. What comes next? What comes after 30? We're adding, we're going up by 10. So after 30 comes 40. After 40, 50. Yeah. We're counting forward by, yeah. Say that again. We're counting,
Good morning, teacher.
we're counting forward by 10. All right, let's do the 3 then.
I cannot see your screen.
What? Let's see.
เด็กๆปิดไมค์ค่ะ มันเสียงดังลูก
What about now? Can you see the screen, Champu?
Okay, I can see that.
Okay, I don't know what happened before.
Thank you.
Everyone can see? Okay, let's do number 3. Everyone call out the numbers or say the numbers. 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. So are we counting forward or backward? We're getting smaller. We're taking -1, -1, -1, -1. We're counting backward. So 61 minus 1 is 60. And 60 minus 1 is 59. Our numbers are decreasing. It's like they say up here, are they increasing or decreasing? So we just say we're counting backward. We're going backward. All right. Number 4.
ไม่ปิดมาอยู่
54, 55. What is that? Is that getting bigger or smaller? We're counting forward. We're counting forward. We're getting bigger. After 55, 55 plus 1 is 56. 56 plus 1 is 57. 57 plus 1 is 58. It's just like counting to 100, isn't it? We start at 54. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. We're counting forward by 1. Okay. This time, are we going forward or backward? When we count to 100 and we get to 70, what's our next number? 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. We're counting forward by 1 plus 1. Put this in, we're doing plus 1. Let me change the pen. Okay, keep on doing it later. And our last one is How do we work this out? We have to look at two numbers, 40, 30. Or these two numbers, 70, 60. What are we doing? We're going minus 10, aren't we? We're counting backward. So we can either say 60 minus 10 would be 50, or we can say 40 plus 10 would be 50. So here we have to say 70 plus 10 would be 80, or 80 minus 10 is 70, just like our number bonds, plus and minus, or fact families, plus and minus. Okay. Oh, yeah, we've lost it. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we've lost it. I'll have to write this in. So here we're going to have 80 plus minus 10 is 70. 70 minus 10 is 60. 60 minus 10 is 50. 50 minus 10 is 40, and 40 minus 10 is 30. So we're decreasing. We're counting backward. Oh, okay, we missed out there. Try and make that a bit longer. Backward. Okay, let's finish these off then. Fill in the blanks. We're just counting forward by 1. We're doing plus 1. You say 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Or just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let's go back and just remember what we're doing each time. Here we're doing plus 1. Plus 1, that's just counting like we count to 100. 36, 37, 38, 39. Plus 1. Okay, I'll see if I can write it. Plus 1. Number 2, we're moving forward. We're going plus 10. This time we're getting smaller. We're counting backward and we're minusing 1. Minus 1. Backward plus forward. Okay. This one, what are we doing? We're getting bigger. We're counting forward by 1 plus 1. I already wrote this one in. I'll put it over here again. Plus 1. 70, 71, 72, 73. And our last one, we're getting smaller. We're getting smaller. We're counting backward by minus 10. So when we do our number sequence or our number pattern, what we're going to try to do is find out what our sum is. Is it -1 plus 1 plus 10 minus 10? But next time we do it, it's not just going to be 1 or 10, because number patterns can be any number. So let's finish off with just an example. What we're going to do next time, let's learn to count by 2. So if you can help me, we're starting, we'll go 0. What comes next if we're counting by 2? Plus 2. 0, 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. I'm just going to say the rest of the numbers. We know it's plus 2 every time. 10 plus 2, 12. 14. 16. 18. 20. So let's have a look. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. That is our number sequence of plus 2, counting forward by 2. So I hope we're starting to understand that, because next time we're going to do 2s and 5s, okay? So that's our lesson for today. Finished off the practice. We might do workbook next time, and we're going to practice counting by 2s and 5s. Okay, everyone. Thanks for doing maths. I'll see you later.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Ting Ting.
Bye.
See you guys. See you, Poopa.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay, relax now.
Goodbye.